Hi, John Hotchkis. Sway bars are the secret to balanced handling. That grip, that turn-in, that wonderful feeling from a real sports car that can be had with a first-generation Camaro. Let's talk about our 1 1/8 inch hollow front bar. We CNC bend everything, so really tight radius, everything's super uniform. We have end links, we have our normal strap brackets, which are great, and we also have our billet brackets. Really a great solution for the front of the car. But let's now go to the rear. A lot of people say, hey, why should I consider Hotchkis? Why are Hotchkis sway bars more expensive? Well, the reason is because they have more parts to them. They're a better kit, better installation, ultimately for better driving experience. But let's look at our rear sway bar package for the first generation Camaro. We have a 7/8 rear hollow bar, 3-position adjustable, so you can get that rear handling balance where you need it. We have excellent U-bolts, all of our correct brackets, our TIG welded dog bones, so for really good sway bar articulation and adjustment. To connect the sway bar that's on the axle with the U-bolts, then the sway bar connects to our unique upper mount. And this is part number 1415, and it is really the solution for first-gen Camaros. Imagine first you have to take the seats out because you need to drill holes in the back of the bulkhead. Once you've drilled all your holes and you position the upper mount, then you swing the sway bar up, connect the end links, and you're ready to go with an absolute true solid sway bar mounting.